Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta kurkure. Let's begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite small pasta, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of vibrant chili powder. Don't forget half a teaspoon of turmeric for color, salt to your liking, and enough cooking oil for deep frying. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we'll prepare the pasta for frying. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add your pasta, cooking it until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 7 to 9 minutes. Once cooked, drain it very well. Then, in a mixing bowl, gently toss the pasta with the corn flour, chili powder, and turmeric. Make sure every single piece is beautifully coated. This creates that signature kurkure crunch. Now for the exciting part, frying. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to fry the pasta in small batches. This prevents the oil temperature from dropping too much and ensures even crispiness. Fry each batch for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and achieve that irresistible crunch. Carefully remove them with a slotted spoon and let them drain on paper towels. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious pasta kurkure. While the fried pasta is still warm, transfer it to a clean bowl. This is the perfect time to sprinkle on a little extra salt and chili powder, adjusting to your personal taste. For an authentic, tangy twist, consider adding a pinch of chaat masala. Serve your freshly made pasta kurkure right away and enjoy this wonderfully crunchy and flavorful snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.